are green paper, and I will show you how to cut the shape from this paper. And we will need acrylic color, paintbrush, pen, glue, and we will need cardboard. I have made this shape from cornflakes box, and this is another ordinary cardboard. And we will need some decorating beads. This is optional. And we will need scissors. So this is the final look of the best out of waste paper cactus. It is very cute and it can be one type of gift also to anyone. So yeah, if you like this cute little best out of waste cactus, please like this video and also subscribe my channel for more amazing and crafty videos like this.